How to hide names on Snapchat notifications. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can hide the names on notification that you receive from Snapchat. Now basically, if you receive a Snapchat notification that someone sent you a snap, it'll be shown along with the name of the person that sent you the snap, right? Or any notification there. Now if you want to hide the names, what you can do is you can simply open up Snapchat. You can head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then here you want to simply tap on gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. And if you scroll down below under partner connections, you can see the option that says notifications. You want to simply tap on notifications options. Now in my case, I've disabled notifications. I'll just enable it pretty quick here. Now here you can toggle off or on any kind of notification that you don't want, and this is one of the ways that you can hide the notification. Now there is no any particular option to hide the names only, so you'll have to turn off that particular notification if you don't want it. The other way is you can head into your phone settings. Once you head into the settings, what you can do is here you can head into the apps option. If you scroll down below here, you can see the apps option. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on apps, what you want to do is you want to search in for Snapchat here quickly, and like before, what you can do is you can simply tap on notifications and you can disable this wholly. This way you won't get any notifications from Snapchat, and you'll be able to hide the names as well. However, if you just want to hide particular notification, you can do as shown before in the video. So this way you can hide notifications on Snapchat, particularly not names. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.